Greetings from Paphos, and the first beach I visit here this year. It's called SODAP beach, and it is quite central next to the promenade. And Paphos is completely different city to the one that I'm staying currently in Ayia Napa, and it's a 3-hour bus ride. And there was only one bus per day over here. So yes, Paphos is not the first time I visit. It is actually the second time, as I was here in May 2017. And back then I have explored this beach as well, but I wasn't doing beach adventures back then over here. So now I'm going to explore a few beaches here in Paphos, as we have a beautiful day, 29th of December. And yeah, let's now check out SODAP beach. But this is not the best beach there is, as there is one more beautiful beach that's called Coral Bay. So check out that episode when it comes out. So yeah, 20 degrees Celsius in the air and 20 in the water. So, and a lot more people here in Paphos compared to Ayia Napa, where the beaches were completely empty. As you can see, the water and the bottom is sandy, but there is lots of seaweed overall. And definitely Ayia Napa on the other side of the coast of Cyprus, on the east coast, is much better. So yes, Paphos is on the west coast of Cyprus, the biggest city on the west coast. And it looks quite nice also. It has a lot more livelihood in the city. And so yes, Paphos is one of the 5 big cities in Cyprus. The other ones are Nicosia, obviously the capital. Then we have Larnaca. Then we have Limassol also. Paphos, obviously. And one more. I think Paralimni is also probably the 5th biggest city that's close to where I'm staying in the Famagusta region. So yeah, this is how SODAP beach looks like. And there are many resorts here next to the promenade. And there is one hotel that's called Alexander the Great. And there we have historical dispute of the origin, as the Greeks say that he is Greek, and as I'm originally from Macedonia, I claim that he's Macedonian. And there are statues of Alexander the Great both in Skopje and in Thessaloniki, but the one in Skopje is bigger one. So yeah, this is Paphos. There is also international airport here in Paphos, and there are many flights. And Paphos is one of the 2 largest airports in Cyprus. The other one is Larnaca, where I landed. And yeah, there are a few public beaches here in the central area, and this had the most ratings, as I have seen on Google Maps. So let's then dive in here in SODAP beach in Paphos, Cyprus. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this at the end of December, with only 2 days left of this year. So let's go. The water is amazing and very calm today. There is not much wind, which makes the water slightly warmer than usual. And yep, I'm enjoying here in Paphos today. So thanks a lot for watching this episode from SODAP beach in Paphos, Cyprus, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.